During the lockdown, we've completely changed our layout so that we've got brand new exhibitions, including Williams, Formula One, the drivers and the driven, and a new Ferrari exhibition and John Haynes. But we've also changed the layout so that we can accommodate all social distancing. As you can see, our exhibition spaces are lovely and large. We've got plenty of space for people to move around. This is one of our newest exhibition spaces, detailing the life of John Haynes OBE, who was the creator of Haynes Manuals and founder of this museum. As you can see, we've opened up the layout so there's plenty of space to walk through and explore the history of motoring. We've also removed some of the barriers here so that you're now able to get really close to the cars, peer inside and look at all these interesting details and dashboards. You'll notice as you're travelling around the museum some signage. This is to let you know if it's a one-way zone or a free-flow zone. One-way means that you're journeying through the museum in a specific route. Free flow means that you can explore the exhibition and get closer to some of the vehicles. For those of you who've visited our famous Red Room before, you'll notice that it looks completely different. We've completely changed the layout. Again, you can get nice and close to some of these beautiful vehicles. And we've also added new interpretation to explore the history of the colour red, the culture behind it, and also some of the meanings around the world. There's plenty of hand sanitizer available for you as you journey around the museum too. In our newly created Ferrari exhibition, we explore the history of these beautiful, iconic sports cars. The Williams F1 Drivers and the Driven exhibition is our brand new exclusive exhibition at Haynes International Motor Museum. You can get up close to some of the most iconic cars in Williams history.
The museum is open every day from 10 a.m. and we really look forward to welcoming you here soon, so pre-book online at himm.co.uk.